existing roads, the introduction of intelligent transport system at major junctions, and the installation of bus rapid transport infrastructure. The NGONG Road Naivasha Road interchange is a pivotal project in Nairobi's urban transport development. Despite facing initial challenges, the ongoing construction reflects commitment to improving traffic flow and urban mobility. Upon completion, it is expected to significantly ease congestion and enhance the quality of life for Nairobi's residents.